just before we go any further, let's just say Shaka Ilembe is one of the best, if not the best shows in South Africa right now. Let me tell you, everything, I mean, I'm a producers of the show, they actually did a research to make sure what its storyline goes along with the facts of what actually happened at that time in history. So I think Wonkomut is waiting for season 2 because really, the rap that happened last week Sunday, it showed Uguti, no, you know what, Labantu Lababa Misele, and for the next 2 seasons, Sazabona isn't there right. Let's go to the seat. I mean, there's a lot of things that's gonna happen, there's a lot of wars that are gonna happen. I mean, how are they gonna plan this whole thing out? Right, on other news, there's a new show that just came out to go Showmax called The Outlaws. Okay, so the show is set in upper KZN, like Mafia and Drakensberg, it's about 2 rival families, the Biela family and some family Abesuthu. The family, these 2 families basically, not a Konipi so the Sotho family steal cattle from the Zulu family, and then the Zulu family, they try to revenge themselves or try to get their cattle back. And then the next thing, go back on EC4 from in the Zulu family, the Biela family, and then the worst happens after that. A lot of things happen, but I think there's gonna be a lot of my life interest as a Kamuga, like soon. Okay, so let's just wait and see how is that gonna play out. Now, in another show that just came out this past couple of days, or this past week rather, that you need to see the Unfollowed. The Unfollowed, I think, came out last week. Basically, it's an uncut interviews host news anchor Utembekile. I think Utembekile Osakaza with ENCA. There's going to be a lot of known celebrities. Scandalous news or controversial news rather. You got my headlines. I'm talking your likes of Lady Zama. I'm talking your Fat Joe. I'm talking your Tall Esmo, Chup Chup, Yabona. Anyways, I think that's it for today. Thank you for joining me on my channel. We're gonna speak again very soon with something new and fresh. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.